Hey guys, Legallockpicker here. As you can see in front of me, we have two different Squire locks. One is the Vulcan P440 and the other is the Vulcan P450. Differences on the front of the packages, one's 5 security out of 10 and the other is 6 security out of 10. This is also a giveaway video. And as you can see, it's this lock specifically. So let's put this one aside for now. Don't forget, guys, we still have the multi-pick 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That's also with the Dangerfield Praxis set and a whole slew of other items that we've gathered along the way that we're going to do as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers. So the top 2 comments will be chosen, one randomly and one with the best comment. So you can see here that this Squire at home, it kind of gives you pictures on the side of it on which kind of applications is best for this specific lock. And another thing you notice is on top of the thing here it says at home, and different ones say at work or so on and so on. It's just for different types of where your lock should be used primarily, you know, but obviously you can use them as you see fit. These are the keys right here. I have not taken them out yet, but I have taken them off the shackle here. So why don't we give this a quick try, and we'll see if we can't get it open. Gonna use try top of the keyway first, and all right, we'll go with Peterson hook. Now, Squire is well known for their padlock strength. So these are actually heavy. These are very heavy. It's got a boron shackle. Just a regular, it says number 35 here. Just so there's no mistake, this isn't plastic. The black makes it look like it, but it is not plastic. It's actually, I guess it's steel. Yeah, so it says steel construction. So, all right, let's try to give it the old one too. All right, so we're gonna start off with the first pin, see if we can't get a click out of it. Okay, you heard that one. Okay, we'll go on to number 2. Number 2, we gotta click out of number 2 as well. We gotta click out of number 3. Number 4 doesn't want to play ball. Alright, so we'll go back to the front and see if we can. Okay, so I'm having a little bit of difficulty reaching past pin 3 to get to pin 4 because it hangs low. So, okay, let's try bottom of the keyway, and I'm gonna use this pick here and see if this is from Wes Picks. It's an amazing pick. It's in 18,000s. I use pick like this because of the reach it has. So I need to get past pin number 3 so I can sink pin 4. Okay, so now we're at that same position. Just bear with me. All right, let me recock it real quick, and let's do this methodically. One, two, three, four. All right, so you can see after I was able to reach all the way in the back with this pick in 18 thousandths, I was able to open it up. You know what? I'm gonna keep the keys in here and try to keep it as new as possible for you guys. So whoever is the winner of this, you're going to get this like this. It's about as new as they come. And I hope you appreciate that, because if you don't, someone else will, I'm sure. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you like this video and you want to see more of my upcoming videos, like and be a subscriber, and don't forget to leave a comment, especially if you want to win one of these items. And plus, it'll throw you in the drawing for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which is the ultimate package of packages. So, don't forget to do that. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.